Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ. Today we're going to be talking about our trailer tie down brackets. These are going to come in black or chrome. They're going to be available for 97 to 23 touring models. And then we also have another set that will fit your 24 and newer models. Today we're in the shop. We're going to go ahead and show you how to install these on a 2014 Street Glide and then a 2023 Street Glide CVO, which is basically going to be your 2024 models. And the first thing you want to do is, with a 1/2-inch socket, is remove your acorn nuts and your bullet turn signals here. And then disconnect your connection here for your bullet turn signal. And we're going to go ahead and remove these two screws here. Of course, it wouldn't be another 1/2 inch. So they're going to be 9/16. Grab your trailer tie down bracket. They're labeled right and left. So this one will be on the right side. You're gonna take this, run your wire through here for your turn signal. It's gonna sit just like that. Get your supplied screw and washer and the spacer. Take your bullet and connect your wire. And then if you see on the inside here, these spacers are gonna go right inside the bullet like that. So right now I'm just getting these into position here. We got the spacers on there, and we got our screw and our washer on that side. Put this over top like that. So now that you have it like that, gotta feed your connector through the slot, line up your screw holes, and this is gonna be a 3/16 Allen. Try to get it a little snug. Go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side. The 1/2-inch socket, remove our acorn nuts. So once you got the acorns off, go ahead and pull the bullet and housing out. Put your connector through here. Go ahead and disconnect it. With the 9/16, go ahead and remove the OEM screws here. Like that. Put it through there, hold it with your finger. And then this is gonna go on like that. So we'll feed it through here. Like that. We'll go ahead and make our connection here. And then line them up. Make sure you feed your wire through the slot there, the connector. Get them started, and then with a 3/16 Allen, you can go ahead and tighten them down. Alright, so now we're going to show you how to install these trailer tie down brackets on your 2023 CVO touring model or a 2024 and newer model. It's pretty much the same process as the 23 and earlier models. On these newer bikes, they don't have the bullet turn signals. Because your blinker is on the fairing here. So pretty much all we're gonna do is remove these two screws, put the tie down bracket on there, then using the provided screws, we'll go ahead and install it. So this is gonna be a 1/2 inch. We'll go ahead and pull these guys out of here. So with your 3/16 Allen and the provided screws. You can go ahead and install this.
Chirp.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Tighten them down, and that's all there is to this install here. These are really nice to have when you're trailering the bike. As you can see down here, I mean, sure, you could try and find something underneath here to hook a strap to. I don't know, the handlebars is kind of out of the question because of the fairing. So really, if you guys do a lot of trailering, you know, going to shows, going to rallies, whatnot, I mean, these really are a time saver. I can tell you one thing, you'll definitely feel a lot better about your motorcycle being tied down in a trailer or in the back of a truck. They do add a lot of peace of mind when you're transporting your motorcycle, so definitely been helpful here, that's for sure. Even just when I'm putting the bikes on the lift, it's nice to have, you know, you always got this point to be able to tie down to, and you know once you tie it down, it's not going anywhere.